morning, students. I am N. Srinivasulu Gold, lecturer in mathematics, JDC, Kalvakurti. Today is discuss about orthogonality. Orthogonality. Okay. State the diagonalization theorem. State the diagonalization theorem. Solution. An n by n matrix A is said to be diagonalizable if and only if it has n linearly independent eigenvectors. If and only if n linearly independent eigenvectors, A is diagonalization. Therefore, A equal to P D P inverse with D diagonal matrix satisfied if and only if first one, the columns of P are n linearly independent eigenvectors of A. Second one, the eigenvalues of A are the diagonal entries of matrix D corresponding to the eigenvectors in matrix. Okay, this theorem is over. Next, we discuss about some properties of vectors. We discuss about some properties of vectors. If u comma v and w are vectors in R power n and C be any scalar, then first one, u into v equal to v into u. Second one, u plus v into w equal to u into v, u into w plus v into w. Third one, cu into v equal to c into u into v equal to u into cv. Fourth one, v into u is greater than or equal to 0 and u into u equal to 0 if and only if u equal to 0. Okay. Next, state the Pythagorean theorem. State the Pythagorean theorem. Solution. Pythagorean theorem states that two vectors u and v are orthogonal to each other. U and v are orthogonal to each other if and only if norm of u plus v whole square equal to norm u square plus norm v square. Okay. Write about orthogonal complements. Solution. For an m by n matrix A, the orthogonal complements of the row space of A is the null space of A. That is, row A transport equal to null A. For an m by n matrix A, the orthogonal complement of the column space of A is the null space of A transport. That is, column A transport equal to null A transport. Okay. Next, state the properties of an m by n matrix A with orthogonal columns. Orthogonal columns. Answer. Let A be an m by n matrix with orthogonal columns and x comma y belongs to R power n, then first one, norm of u into x equal to norm ux. Second one, ux into uy equal to x into y. Third one, ux into uy equal to 0 if and only if x into y equal to 0. Okay. Next, show that if A is both diagonalizable and invertible, then so is A inverse. Then so is A inverse. Show that if A is both diagonalizable and invertible, then so A is A inverse. Solution. Let the matrix A be diagonalizable is implies A equal to PD P inverse, where P is invertible and D is diagonal. Since A is invertible, then 0 is not eigenvalue of A and diagonal entries of D are all not 0. D are all not 0. Is implies D is invertible. Is implies D is invertible. Consider A equal to PD P inverse. Is implies A inverse equal to PD P inverse whole inverse. Is implies A inverse equal to P inverse whole inverse D inverse P inverse. Since AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse formula. Since A inverse whole inverse is A, same as P inverse whole inverse is P, D inverse same as P inverse also same. Therefore, A inverse equal to PD inverse PD inverse B inverse. Therefore, D inverse is also diagonal. Therefore, A inverse is diagonalizable. Okay, A inverse is diagonalizable. Okay, next problem we discuss about. Construct a non-zero 2 by 2 matrix that is invertible but not diagonalizable. Construct a non-zero 2 by 2 matrix that is invertible but not diagonalizable. Answer. Let A 2 by 2 matrix be A equal to 2 3 0 4. 2 3 0 4. The matrix A is invertible if the eigenvalues are not 0. If the eigenvalues are not 0. Therefore, the matrix A has eigenvalues 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. Okay. Therefore, A is invertible. A is invertible. The matrix A to be non-diagonalizable, it must contain the eigenvalues which are not distinct. Let A equal to 2 by 2 matrix 2 3 0 2. Therefore, A is not diagonalizable. Therefore, A equal to the matrix 2 by 2 2 3 0 2 is the 2 by 2 matrix which is invertible but not diagonalizable. Next problem. Show that the matrix A equal to 2 by 2 matrix diagonalizable. 2 by 2 matrix 1 1 1 1 is diagonalizable. Solution. Given matrix is A equal to 2 by 2 matrix is 1 1 1 1. Okay. The characteristic equation of A is mod A minus lambda I equal to 0. Mod A minus lambda I equal to 0. Mod 2 by 2 matrix 1 1 1 1 minus 2 by 2 matrix is lambda 0 0 lambda, okay, is equal to 0. This implies mod 2 by 2 is 1 minus lambda 1 1 1 minus lambda equal to 0. Is implies 1 minus lambda square minus 1 equal to 0. Is implies to 1 minus lambda square mean 1 square plus lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 1 equal to. Is implies 1 plus lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Lambda square minus 2 lambda equal to 0. I will take lambda common. Lambda into lambda minus 2 equal to 0. You know AB equal to 0, A equal to 0 or B equal to 0, same as lambda equal to 0 or lambda equal to 2. Therefore, the eigenvalues of matrix A are 0, 2, 0 and 2. Since A is a 2 by 2 matrix with two distinct eigenvalues, therefore A is diagonalizable. A is diagonalizable. Hence, given matrix is diagonalizable. Okay. Next we will discuss another problem. For square matrices, prove that if B is similar to A and C is similar to A, then B is similar to C. Once again I will read. For square matrices, prove that if B is similar to A and C is similar to A, then B is similar to C. Okay, solution. Given that B is similar to A, then you write P inverse B P equal to A for some equation 1, and C is similar to A for some Q inverse C Q equal to A. Put equation 2. Next, from equation 1 and 2, P inverse BP equal to Q inverse CQ. Okay, we multiply both sides Q and Q inverse. Q into P inverse BP into Q inverse equal to Q into Q inverse into CQ into Q inverse. Therefore, Q P inverse BP Q inverse equal to Q into Q inverse into C into Q inverse. Here Q inverse into Q mean I. Therefore, Q B inverse B P Q inverse equal to C. Since I into C, I. C into I, C. Okay. P Q inverse whole inverse into B equal to P Q inverse equal to C. Therefore, B is similar to C. B is similar to C. Okay, next we discuss about another problem. If A is diagonalizable and B is similar to A, then prove that B is also diagonalizable. If A is diagonalizable and B is similar to A, then prove that B is also diagonalizable. Solution. Given that A is diagonalizable, that is A equal to PD P inverse, and B is similar to A, then for some Q, B equal to QA Q inverse. B equal to QA Q inverse is implies B equal to Q into PD P inverse into Q inverse, since by equation 1 A equal to PD P inverse. Okay. Here you write brackets change B equal to QP into D into P inverse Q inverse. Therefore, B equal to QP into D into QP inverse. Therefore, B is also diagonalizable. B is also diagonalizable. Okay. Next we discuss another problem. For the matrix A equal to 2 by 2 matrix, root 3, 3, minus 3, root 3. List the eigenvalues. Given the angle phi of the rotation where minus phi is less than psi is less than phi, and give the scalar factor r. Solution. Given matrix is A equal to 2 by 2 matrix is root 3, 3, minus 3, root 3. The eigenvalues are given by lambda equal to A plus or minus IB. Lambda equal to A plus or minus IB. Here A equal to root 3, B equal to minus 3. Therefore, lambda equal to root 3 plus or minus 3i. Lambda equal to root 3 plus or minus 3. The scale factor for transformation x such that x goes to ax is r equal to mod lambda equal to under root of a square plus b square equal to under root of root 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square is implies r equal to under root of 3 plus 9, 12. Therefore, r equal to under root of 4 into 3 is implies r equal to 2 root 3. R equal to 2 root 3. And the angle of rotation psi is psi equal to arc tan of b by a. Is implies psi equal to arc tan of minus 3 by root 3. Is implies psi equal to minus 5 by 3 radians. Therefore, r equal to 3 root 3 and psi equal to minus 5 by 3 radians. Okay. Next, we discuss another problem. Find a unit vectors in the direction of the vector 2 by 1 matrix is minus 30, 40. Find a unit vector in the direction of the vector 2 by 1 matrix is minus 30, 40. Solution. Given that V equal to 2 by 1 matrix is minus 30, 40. The unit vector in the direction of the given vector is u equal to v by norm b. V by norm b. Since norm v equal to under root of a square plus b square. A is minus 30, b is 40. B is 40. Therefore, norm v equal to under root of minus 30 whole square plus 40 square is implies under root of 900 plus 1600 is implies under root of 2500 is implies to under root of 50 whole square. Square root cancel. Therefore, norm v equal to 50. Therefore, u equal to v by norm v. V by norm v. Here norm v is equal to 50. 1 by 50 into v mean 2 by 2 matrix minus 30, 40. Okay, this problem is over. Is implies okay, let v equal to 7 by 4, 2 by 1 matrix is 3 by 1 matrix is 7 by 4, 1 by 2, 1. Find a unit vector u in the direction of v. Find a unit vector u in the direction of v. Solution. Given that v equal to 3 by 1 matrix is 7 by 4, 1 by 2, 1. The unit vector u in the direction of v is u equal to v by norm v. V by norm v is implies u equal to 1 by under root of a square plus b square plus c square, same as 7 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 whole square into 3 by 1 matrix is 7 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 is implies u equal to 1 by under root of 69 by 4 into 3 by 1 matrix is 7 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 is implies u equal to 4 by under root of 16 into 7 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 is implies u equal to 3 by 1 matrix is okay multiply 4 by under root 69 under matrix okay u equal to 3 by 1 matrix is 7 by under root 69, 2 by under root 69, 4 by under root 69. Therefore, the unit matrix, the unit vector u equal to 7 by under root of 69, 2 by under root of 69, 4 by under root of 69. Okay, students, we discuss about another problem. Verify the parallelogram law for vectors u and v in R power n. That is, norm of u plus v whole square plus norm of u minus v whole square equal to 2 into norm u whole square plus 2 into norm v whole square. Solution. Given u and v are vectors in R power n, consider norm of u plus v whole square equal to u plus v into u plus v is implies norm of u plus v whole square equal to u into u plus u into v plus v into u plus v into v. Here u into u equal to norm u square, v into v equal to norm v square. Okay, substituting these two values above equation. Therefore, norm of u plus v whole square equal to norm u square plus here u into v equal to v into u. Okay, therefore 2 into u into v plus norm v square. Okay, again consider norm u minus v whole square equal to u minus v into u minus v. Here u into u minus u into v minus v into u plus v into v minus into minus plus v into v. Same as u into u square, u into v equal to v into u. Okay, now v into v equal to norm v square. Therefore, norm u minus v whole square equal to norm u square minus 2 into u into v plus norm v square. Adding equation 192 above equations. Above equations 192 adding norm of u plus v whole square plus norm of u minus v whole square equal to norm u square plus 2 into u into v plus norm v square plus norm u whole square minus 2 into u into v plus norm v whole square is implies here 2 into u into v plus 2 into u into v minus get cancel. Here 2 into norm u square plus 2 into norm v square. Therefore, norm of u plus v whole square plus norm of u minus v whole square equal to 2 into norm u whole square plus 2 into norm v whole square. Okay, we discuss another problem. Suppose a vector y is a orthogonal to vectors u and v. Show that y is orthogonal to the vector u transport u plus v. Okay, given that solution, given that y is orthogonal to u and v, is implies to y into u equal to 0, y into v equal to 0. Therefore, from property of inner product, y into u plus v equal to y into u plus y into v. Here y into u equal to 0 plus y into v equals to 0. Therefore, 0 plus 0, 0. Therefore, y into u plus v equal to 0. Therefore, y is orthogonal to vector u plus v. Okay, over. Next, we discuss another problem. Find the distance between x 2 by 1 matrix is 10 minus 3 and y equal to 2 by 1 matrix minus 1 minus 5. Solution. Given that given matrix is x equal to 2 by 1 matrix is 10 minus 3, y equal to 2 by 1 matrix is minus 1 minus 5. Therefore, x minus y equal to 2 by 1 matrix 10 minus 3 minus 2 by 1 matrix minus 5 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 is therefore x minus y equal to 2 by 1 matrix 10 minus of minus 1 plus 1 mean 11, 3 minus of minus 5 plus 5 minus 3 plus 5 2. Therefore, x minus y equal to 2 by 1 matrix is 11 2. Therefore, norm of x minus y equal to under root of a square plus b square same as under root of 11 square plus 2 square. 11 square mean 121, 2 square mean 4, 125. Under root of 125 mean 5 into 5. 5 into 5 mean 5 root 5. Therefore, distance of x comma y equal to norm x minus y equal to 5 root 5. Okay. Next we discuss small problem. Show that if x is in both w and w perpendicular, then x equal to 0. Then x equal to 0. Solution. Let x is in w and w transport. Since x is in w transport, then x is orthogonal to every vector in w. That is x into x equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0. Okay. All problems we do carefully. Okay. This problems is very important and easy. We do very seriously. Okay, all problems are very important in this topic, orthogonality. Okay, this theorem is very important. The theorem is the diagonalization theorem, and also properties and Pythagorean theorem also important. We discussed previous. Okay, these problems also all important. Okay, we do carefully very well. Okay, all of you. Okay, all of you. Thank you.